Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Lynn. First, we want to wish everybody happy Thanksgiving, and we are very grateful for our viewers and subscribers for all your love and support. You are the reason we're still doing YouTube videos, and sending our love to all of you. And today I'm going to share with you a very simple pumpkin soup. Did I say simple? Yes. And in Chinese style. Let's cook. Yeah, I'm going to use 1 can of pumpkin puree. I like this brand. And optional, we can have some goji berries. I'm going to just soak it in water for a few minutes. And we need some napa cabbage. This is a baby napa cabbage. I used half already. This is the other half. Just to trim the end a little bit and slice it like that. Very simple ingredients, right? We're ready to cook. First, we're going to heat up 3.5 cups of water. Bring this to boil. Now the water is boiling. Let's add some salt and about a teaspoon chicken bouillon and some olive oil. Now we're going to cook napa cabbage. We're going to cook about 5 to 7 minutes or until they are tender. After about 7 minutes, napa cabbage is getting tender. Now let's add pumpkin. Stir it. We're going to simmer about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, let's add our goji berries. Like I said, this is optional. And we also need to grate some ginger. And just let this simmer about another half a minute. And last, we just finish with some black pepper. And chop the green onions. Our soup is ready. Smells great. Wow. We also call golden soup. Isn't it golden? Cheers.
Cheers
to Thanksgiving.
Wow.
So warming.
A pumpkin.
Yeah, savory, isn't it?
Very.
A little spicy from ginger.
And I like the cabbage too.
Yeah, very tender. Chinese pumpkin soup, we call golden soup. Beautiful color and good flavor profile. And so easy to make, right? If you like this video, please go thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.